In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean travel intro animation using a text reveal effect in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. All right, first of all, open Canva. From here, select a video project. Let's give this project a name. Now the first thing we need is a destination image. So I'll go to Elements, and for this demo, I'm adding a random beach image. Once you add the image, right-click on it and set image as background. Next, select the background layer and make sure the image duration is 5 seconds. In my case, it's already 5 seconds, so that's perfect. I'll also zoom into the timeline a little bit so it's easier to work with the layers. Now let's add the location name. Go to Text, scroll down, and select any text style you like. I'll delete the smaller text because I only want one main title. Now type the location name. Open Colors and change the text color to white. Then go to Effects, and I'll choose the shadow effect. Change the shadow color to something dark. Make it blur slightly, and now increase the text size. Let's center align the text and add a bit of letter spacing. Perfect, the text looks clean and readable. Now let's animate this text. Click on Animate, and you'll see different text animations here. Choose the one you like. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the burst animation. Increase the intensity a little bit. Now move this text layer above the image and make the text appear after 2.5 seconds on the timeline. At the beginning, I want to add a plane animation. I've already uploaded a plane image, but you can also find many plane images inside Elements. First, remove the background. By the way, if you want to use the exact same image, you can find it on Pexels, which is a free stock photo website. Now move the plane layer above the text layer. Crop the extra space. Rotate the plane in the right direction. Increase its size. And place it at the start of the canvas. Next, add a rectangle shape. Move the rectangle below the plane layer. Increase its size. And position it like this. Change the rectangle color to anything you like. Now select both the plane and the rectangle, group them together, move the group slightly to the left side, and make it invisible. Reduce the layer duration so it only appears in the first half, before the location text. Now duplicate this grouped layer. Move the duplicate above the text layer. Split the image at the exact point where the animation should change. Click on the transition icon, apply Match and Move, and increase its duration. Select the duplicate layer and move it to the right side. This creates a smooth travel motion effect. Now let's add a short intro text at the beginning. Add a text, reduce its duration, increase its size, and center align it. Open Fonts, and I'm going to use Bryce Semi-Expanded. Change the text color to something that matches your theme. Now animate the text. I'll choose Typewriter. Increase the speed to maximum. Duplicate this text, move it to the side, and change the text content. Let's preview the animation. I forgot to set the text animation to Enter Only, so let's quickly fix that. Now everything looks perfect. Let's remove this white background and we're done. You can adjust the speed or timing if you want, depending on your video style. So that's how you can create a travel intro animation using text reveal effect in Canva. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Repixo for more useful Canva tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.